Auto Fanatics. So 3 weeks into owning the AMG GTR, we're gonna do my very first POV drive video. Actually, it's been raining a lot since I took delivery of the car, so we're just on some back roads, 4th of July weekend, and I'm gonna have some fun, so come along for the drive. This car is fucking incredible. Holy shit. Let that car go in front of us. Wow. This thing rips. Steer. Wow. Got that closed. Got this going. Race mode. Let's rock and roll. Okay. had the car a couple of weeks, and let me tell you, the more that I drive it, the more impressed that I am on how good this car is. This is a freshly paved road. That's why I'm doing this right here. But the rear wheel steer, when you're sitting pretty much on the back of the axle on this car, it's such a unique driving experience. It's so different. This is definitely not a typical Mercedes in any regard, or a luxury car. This thing is a freaking animal. I mean, the faster you go, the more this car wants to push it. It's just the confidence that you get. The noise, the grip. Oh my God. Yeah, I would never do that turn with any of my other cars at that speed, let me tell you. So I'm just having some fun. That's what it's all about. And I hate to say it, but I don't miss the GT350R. Because this car is so damn good, and that's why I think this was the best replacement for the Shelby for what I was looking for in a car. Oh my God, this thing is freaking bananas. And it looks like the POV in this car probably come out a little bit better than some of the other videos because I'm sitting so low to the ground. And the windshield is kind of like chopped. I feel like I'm in a 5th or 6th gen Camaro / Dodge Viper. So, all right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the little bit of POV driving in the AMG GTR. I'm just having so much fun. I just want to get this camera off my head and enjoy the rest of my day on these northern back roads. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content. FYI, so far my first video on this car already made 3 people watch it and went out and bought GTRs themselves. So, I suggest you get out and try to drive one of these cars and put one of these things in your garage now before the prices triple in the next couple of years. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon.